Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I just wanted to share with you these bows that I made. In one of my entries to my challenge, to my giveaway challenge, I received this from Gigi's Cool Creations from Judith, and I was really inspired by how beautiful it was and how, it's just an amazing job that she did. I'll put her link below just so you can check out her tutorial that she has on it. She did a great job. So I went to the dollar store and I shared a haul showing you all the different stuff that I bought to make the bows, but I had this from a different store, and this is really cool. So all this I did, well, I created this out of them, and the little gold sequin you can see right here, it was all over the place. So I decided, instead of throwing it out and just putting it, throwing it away, I did the laminated sheets, and I took all the pieces that came out and I created a couple of those sheets. I don't know, my laminator kind of chewed the end of it, but anyway, so I can make another project out of that. So at least I got some more out of that. So I created those two. Then I went to these four, and I thought, oh, that's really, really neat. I've never made bows before, so I was really impressed by it, and so I just kept going. Then there's another four that I made. And out of the roll that I got from the dollar store, so I used this and I cut it up a certain way, so it was only $1.25. I created four. So I have four in each one, except for, no, actually some are 4 and some are 5. So the white ones were 4 because I was making them longer. I was cutting them a lot longer. And then I started switching how much I was using. And then I made them smaller, and then I was making them bigger. Because with this one, I was able to fold it in half. So I changed it up a little bit. I was using 3 fingers, and then I was using 4 fingers just to vary the sizes. So then I created those ones. Then I'm not sure what that is, but I thought it was still cute, but I don't remember what I did different with that one. I think I used less and used 4 fingers, and so that came out of that. Then I created these pink ones, and I used a little bit different. I have these hearts that I got from Michael's, and I decided to add hearts in them instead of, just regular bling. And then I created the blue ones as well. So then I just varied the centerpieces of it, and then I created these blue ones. So that's what I have been doing, and like so. So I created all of these, and all of these are actually dollar store material except for these two, and I did get it for 95 cents. So this, is a great creation. So all the dollar store stuff, they were $1.25 for this, 95 cents for that, and you get several bows out of it. And I haven't seen these bows or that type. It's like a tool, and with that size, I just folded it in half, and I was able to make it, because the other stuff I have is really large. So I'm going to next maybe try this. The only thing is it's super long, so I'd have to cut it and make sure that I can make it right, but it's really, really pretty colors. And I have other tulle that I got from Michael's and that, but I just wanted to share with you what I created. That's Gigi's or Judith's. So I just wanted to share with you. They're not the best. They are my first. I can see some flaws, like the string was tied here on the side and that, but you can cover stuff up as you're decorating, or if you give it away. Obviously I won't give away that one, but I just thought I would share with you what I did today, and I was having fun making them. So let me know what you think down in the comments. Bye.